What's going on? This is Julian with True Nerd, and it's been a minute since I've done a product review, but I actually have three things here from a company called Rolling Square. And what's really cool about them is that they implement sustainability when it comes to their design, their packaging, and things like that. So I'm just going to jump right into it. The first thing I have here is InCharge, which is a charging cable. And I'll put some B-roll of all of these products on the screen. But as you can see, low impact packaging. Of course, you can recycle all of this. It is recycled material as well. So we'll get right over to the cable itself. So this is the first thing, InCharge. So you can put this on your keychain. So you kind of always have it with you. And a lot of their things kind of surround around portability as well. So this is connected together by a little magnet. You always have it with you. So here you see it's a lightning port, but you pull that up and you also have USB-C. So that's USB-A, USB-C. You look at the other side, it can be USB-C to USB-C as well. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty compact, actually feels very sturdy. It looks really good. It's definitely something I will keep in my travel bag. I've kind of been on a mission to reduce my bulk when I'm traveling. So these products are actually going to be pretty cool. So the next thing we have here is actually, I'm going to skip that one. We're going to go with the towel. So again, this same kind of cool packaging. So this actually has a couple things that I want to show you all. But first, we'll just go with the device itself. So we have a small battery pack that you can kind of take with you on the go. And the way that this works, it actually has three connectors. You have USB-C, you have, one second, lightning. And then if I'm not mistaken, there should be, I thought it was a micro USB as well. I'll confirm that and let you all know. But this is a 1400 milliamp hours battery. So something cool just like to keep throughout the day. Especially for me when I get into the summer months. I'm out and about all day. And yeah, so actually, and then I'm going to show you the second part to this little docking station. Is the docking station, sorry. So it actually has this proprietary charger that you go ahead and drop on there. It kind of connects magnetically. And it's really cool. So it's kind of made for you to like, okay, hang it by your door. And then when you're ready to go, it just pops right off. You have your keys on here. You never really forget it. For some people, I'm sure that might be a little inconvenient because you have to keep it in that one spot, but this is made to stay on your keyring. So, and I just love the size of this. I'm going to give it probably a test sometime during this week just to see how much of a charge I can get from this. Yeah, really cool, really cool. And then the last product I have here is the Edge. And this is kind of for, how do I explain this? Let's say mobile content creation, taking meetings mobily, or just depending on what you're using it for, just for like a nice slim charger. So the first part I'll show you, let's take it out of here, is the Edge Light. So again, I said this is pretty cool for you to take meetings. So you have this, it charges via USB-C, and let me see if it's power. we don't have any power on that. So I'll put some B-roll in the video with this all set up. Comes with this nice USB-C to USB-C cable. The next piece we have here is the wireless charger. And if I'm not mistaken, this is compatible with Android as well. So just let me get this out of here. So pretty simple, kind of used to what wireless chargers look like. It has a little piece for a mount that goes on the back of your phone so that it sticks to here via that magnet. Especially if you have a case, you may want to use that. If you don't use a case, then it should just, you may not have to use it, but that's pretty cool. And then the last part to this equation is the mount. So this mount connects to the back of your computer or your monitor with these 3M like magnetic strips here. And then you have the mount here. So you can swap out. So here's the mount. So you stick it to the back of your monitor. It kind of sticks out. Again, I'll put some B-roll up. And then you're able to take, let's use the light for instance. Just pops that on there and you can put it right on top of your monitor. I'll probably use this tonight, test this out with my stream. That'll actually be a good use case. But if you're actually, I don't even think if it matters if you're an Apple user, but it would be pretty cool just having this on your desk, and then you can have your phone kind of like sitting off to the side. Let's do it this way. Sitting off to the side, not as a second monitor, but like in some cases for me, I monitor my Twitch chat via my phone versus kind of having it up on the screen. So that's pretty cool, and then it stays charged. Yeah, just all day, give back to your desk, just drop it on there. Yeah, so again, these are some pretty high quality pieces of tech here. If you want to check it out, the price is not that bad. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the battery pack is about 30 bucks. Everything is relatively reasonable. And normally with these types of devices, people can tend to overcharge them. The company is based out of Switzerland. So definitely, I say, just based off of my first impressions, this is like very nice. Maybe I'll do like a short or some type of reel to kind of give an update of my experience with this. But yeah, so again, if you're interested in these items, I'll leave a couple links below. Stay tuned to True Nerd for more kind of product overviews and reviews like this. And if you have used these, go ahead and put your impressions in your comments below in the chat. I'd love to hear what you all think. And yeah, until next time, stay tuned to True Nerd, and see you later.